Today's video is in regards to our new sponsor. Let's give our new sponsor a warm welcome. Benchmark Abrasives. They sent me a nice shipment. That was very kind of them. There's some cut-off wheels and some flapper disc of all different grades. Looks to be very good quality. I'm going to be using these on my projects and give an honest good review about them. They're a very good company. They were quite accurate, easy people to talk to, and seemed to be a really decent company. They gave me some hand and surface wipes. I'm going to be trying those. And I can't wait. I'm excited. I can't wait to start using these disc and cutoff wheels on my projects. It's up to 13,000 RPM. And it's a 4-inch disc. And these are the flapper disc. And then in with the package of the flapper disc, I got a good amount of cutoff disc. Wow. And it appears to be some grinder disc. So that'll be very cool to start using. And I really like their sticker here and their logo. I promised them that I would put this up here on my YouTube channel. This is their phone number. And it's benchmarkabrasives.com. And I'll put the description and all the necessary information up in the YouTube description channel. And there was a nice gentleman by the name Mr. Knots. I thank you a great deal for taking interest in my YouTube channel. It is guys like you that makes it feel like it's all worthwhile. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate everything you guys are doing here for me. And you guys want to go out here and take a look up on their website, and you can actually, let me see here, yeah, you can use your phone to scan these barcodes. So what I'll do is I'll take a picture of this and I'll post it up on my YouTube channel and let it sit there for a moment. And you can use your cell phone and scan the barcode, these QR codes with your phone. If you see something of interest, you'll be able to purchase it straight from your phone and don't have to go through the frustration of typing anything in. We have another company here I'm not familiar with, but I will become familiar with when I go to check out these hand wipes, and and I'll check out their products. So yeah, I'm really into this. This is cool. Yeah, this is very much appreciative, Benchmark Abrasives. You guys are awesome. Thank you for having trust in me, and I hope to do more in future business with you guys. And I'll be really looking forward to using these. I really need them, because here's what I was describing in my channel. As you can see here, there's going to be a lot of work being done here. You can see the back end. They've sad enough, this was a sedan, and what they've done is they welded a trunk lid into the back and tried to make it into like the Roadster. And it was a good effort. I'm not mocking anyone's efforts, but you can see a lot of the imperfections there. When they tried to hard top it, you can see where I'm going to need a lot of work done here and over here. The roof really needs to be reskinned and redone, and a lot of work back here needs to be done, and across the back of the roof here. So you can see I have quite a, right here's the inside of my car. You can see these discs are really going to save my day. So that's just that alone. I also have my 27 tea bucket, that's also going to need it. So yeah, you guys are going to have me for a long time here. So I thank you for finding me well and sponsoring me. This is awesome. It'd be a great pleasure doing business with you guys. So y'all remember this sticker here, don't forget it. That's going to be posted on every one of my YouTube channels from now on. So and then I'm going to use that as also a logo. I'm going to post that on my YouTube channel. And description of you know, like their website and everything, because every time I'm using these, I'm going to be using them like 90% of the time. So in all my YouTube channels, it's only fair to put this out there so you guys know what materials I'm using. And so hopefully I can get some more companies interested in me. It's making it feel every bit of worthwhile what I'm doing. You know, just when you feel that you don't feel like you're producing enough content and good material, you kind of feel forgotten. But when a company pulls through like this, makes you feel like, you know, hard work's paying off. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Benchmark. I'm quite speechless, and you guys are amazing. I wish I only known you guys sooner. So looking forward to a lot of new materials here. I will be checking them out. I'll be in the interest of purchasing them and trying them out and everything, using them on my YouTube channel. And thank you very much, Benchmark. You're an awesome company. I can see why you guys have been in business since 2009. Wow, that's a long time. Maybe one day I could become something. So yeah, y'all stay tuned with this. So this, to my knowledge, I'm not being sponsored by Scrub Nuts. It's a cool name. I like it. But I didn't realize it said Scrub Nuts. But there's no fun being made here, honestly. This is family oriented. So I'm just happy. That's what that is. I'm happy that a company has found interest in me, and I want to be able to make this go somewhere. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Enjoy.